one 6-scale RC motorcycle which can stand still without any support on the sides. It also can drive on a single wheel and also make drifts. The total length of the motorcycle is 35 centimeters. It comes with a 1200 mAh 2S lithium-ion battery that can power up the motorcycle between 60 to 90 minutes, depends on your operating characteristics. In the box, we have the remote controller which requires two AAA batteries, charger, and the user manual. The user manual unfortunately comes in only Chinese, so you need to use the Google Image Translator to read the user manual. So that is all about the unboxing or reviewing part. Let's see this thing in action. Let's begin. On/off button. We have LED lights under the bike. Also, at the moment, the motorcycle is waiting to bind with remote controller, and also we have headlights. So yes, look at this. There is one thing, when you try to go backward, it is proportional, but when you try to go forward, it's not. So I need to stop it before it falls down. See? So back again. And now I am going to show you how it drifts and stunts on the ground. The bike is on the ground, everything is ready. Drift. This is slow drift. When you push forward, other direction, slow one, and faster. Also we have a drift button. It makes a half drift and the opposite direction. Yes. S means indoor use, P means outdoor use. This two stripes means we are using it on the flat surface, and this is for non-flat surfaces like asphalt or your carpet indoors. And if you would like to make the one wheel stunt, it doesn't work on flat surfaces. So first you need to choose this one and use your motorcycle on carpet or any outdoor area like asphalt. So let's go to the living room and see how it performs on the carpet. Guys, we are on the carpet. Stunt button here, press and hold. See? And we can drive it on one wheel. You can also make omnidirectional moves. Backward, and once you get the one wheel stunt, you can also use it on flat surfaces. I am still trying to master the controls, but as you can see, you can use it on flat surfaces also. Backward, forward. The gyro works perfectly. Okay guys, if you would like to get this one for yourself, you can find the link in the description. As always, thank you for watching. Have a good day.
flex. Thumb down now, check. No drip this, wet. Tell him run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Tell him run it up. I wake up, flex. Thumb down now, check. No drip this, wet. Tell him run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Tell him run it up. 9 out of 10 roll through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turned to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies. Thought I could trust you, I find out you tried to zone me. I'm number one up on that court, I'm Nick McGrady. The first one in, the last one out, can't call me lazy.